We are Audrey, Stephen, and Bella, and we are tackling RV life for the first time ever. We lost our rental home in 2021 when our landlord wanted to sell. With the housing market absolutely out of control and with limited finances, we were looking at the possibility of being homeless.
We're good. That's enough to see out, right?
We took what limited money we had saved, and with a little help, we took the plunge into full-time RV life. Now we're fixing up our 27-year-old Winnebago named Artemis and getting her ready to take out on the road, where we look forward to the unknown journey that awaits us.
And we're recording.
Gross.
It is gross. So while we were out getting Artemis dumped and filled with propane and washed today, this piece of vinyl came down. But I had bought this stuff, which is basically just Gorilla Glue spray adhesive. And I have a couple of cans. And so we're going to try and do a cheap budget RV repair because we don't have the money to replace this whole ceiling right now. You gotta shake this can really well. See if you hear that ball in there. So just...
Like this isn't going to stick to that.
We'll see. I'm gonna use a pretty generous amount of glue here.
I'll
So.
move in a second
The good news is that there's no water damage here. Alright, so I'm gonna start. I'm just gonna spray out all of this and then we're gonna, or maybe should we just start in sections and I spray like a little bit and then we pull this out?
I honestly don't know the best way to do this. I don't. Once you spray, how long do we have? Really don't breathe in.
Yeah, let's see how bad this is gonna be too.
I know. Oh, stinky.
Does it stink?
Oh yeah. Smells like nail polish remover.
Open that side door so we get some ventilation in here.
Should I open this window?
Yeah.
So we're going to be really high on glue. See, we're already.
See, but I can get this.
I can't reach now.
Oh shit.
No, I can't even get in there. Without making a hole. I mean, I can fold it under, but it's not going to get under. It's not going to get in
Patience.
there.
Let's work on this side.
Oh,
There you go.
I got some.
This might not look so bad when we get done.
You want to try this? Or you're holding one thing. Maybe this
Yeah.
is just
You're kind of short, so I don't know how well you're just holding this up.
not. Because my shoulders are already screaming.
So I'll probably have you do that and maybe even spray the rest of that glue into that corner. Yeah, you can only do one of these at a time. Otherwise, you'd have to get Billy out of here. Otherwise, it just gets too high. And then this is easy because this stuff, this part of it pulls back.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Without upload. Oh god, this TV.
So now that we know how to.
Want to help us out? Don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our channel. And hit that bell notification so you can get notified the next time we make a video.
And I mean, be liberal with it. And then before you spray the vinyl, let me see if I can get the frick out of here.
Spray vinyl or spray the ceiling?
Spray the ceiling first.
Yeah.
Oh, I sprayed
really worried that I was gonna get you.
It's okay. That's why we did test spray. So I can just get out of there like that. That's fine. Oh yeah.
Should I be doing long sprays?
No, I mean just soak it. However you can do that.
So I'm gonna come in about here,
Okay.
and then we'll push again. Push it. My hand hurts.
Put that down.
I'm gonna get around you.
And about right here. We're sorry, Bailey.
Sorry, babe.
We
It's
know this
gross.
thing.
It's really gross. Ooh, it is sticky though.
Right? It's working. It's definitely working because up here is sticking. Well, maybe take the that glue. Take that glue and run a bead right in here.
Don't look at that. Oh, yep, down and away. I don't know how to get it under this.
Like that.
Is your arm peel?
So another reason why, like one a night, we should just make a. I'll be like, oh, we'll do this panel tonight. Oh, we'll do this panel.
Fun.
And in like a couple of weeks, we'll have a nice newish roof.
Oh, my hands are sticky.
All mine too, they're gross. I was gonna put gloves on, but yeah, make it.
Look that way.
Yeah, make sure you're giving it a good shake because it'll help make it
Oh, it's just coming at us. Heavy enough duty masks.
It's good enough. You're keeping them, you know, you're not breathing any, like the actual ceiling particulates. You break?
I just can't get away from
Come here, come here. Get down. Here, I can get the rest of this if you want it. It needs more glue than that, I think. On the. Here.
Oh, I didn't know we were doing the full panel. So we're only doing a little at a time.
Well, this is the last little bit, and our shoulders are wearing out.
I know.
You just spray the glue on the vinyl.
I sprayed a lot of the vinyl, but not all the way down
yeah.
because I didn't know we were doing it. Oh God, it's just crumbling.
Alright.
Good?
Mm-hmm. It's going.
Oh, that's really sticky. Oh.
It's really sticky. I'm gonna tuck it all the way up in there so it's not.
I'll try.
I'll let you go get it
Okay,
right now. This is not bad.
Put it right back down.
It's a little droopy in here. Alright, now I'm just gonna work it into here. So sticky.
It is sticky.
We'll just have to come along with some like spray cleaner and a rag because we'll have to get it off the wood too. But it looks really good as far as like it's not. You want me to take over?
My neck is killing me.
You want to take over?
I think my neck hurts more than most.
Ow.
Ow. Is that angle better? Looking at that way. Better without the knife?
Almost do most of it by hand, yeah.
Just a wet rag.
Yeah, you're gonna need some kind of like solvent or chemical or something. I'm wearing it off my fingers. There's no way it's washing off. See, I told you we wouldn't need a staple gun.
Okay.
This is like one out of like 20 of these panels.
And this is like a small panel.
Yeah, and this isn't even the big one. This is just the one that wanted our attention the most. And to be honest, you don't want this flying down on you while you're driving down the road doing 70. That'd be bad. I don't know how I'm gonna get this corner in here.
Do you want the knife for that?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh my god.
How you doing, bro?
Babes. It's okay.
I don't know if you can see my fingers. We're 22 minutes in.
Oh, you got goo gun? Heck yeah, dude.
Yeah, it doesn't really. You have to really put it on the thing and let it sit.
Oh,
And I can't really put it on a ceiling and just let it sit.
Let it
It's
sit.
gonna drip. I'm doing this all wrong. F this. I have magic eraser.
Oh!
Oh, duh! It's too sticky for this.
Oh, it just touches?
Yeah, it's just ripping the sponge apart.
Okay.
Cool. Might work on right on the vinyl though, yeah.
How about the wood? It already looks way better. It's the only one in here not sagging.
Oh, it's just crumbling like bad TP. I couldn't find my acetone. I thought it was at the office. And I couldn't find it. So quickly here.
Polish remover, eh?
That's fine. I want to remove my nail polish anyway. Oh, hell yeah.
They're using to be bigger.
I know, they're meant for like individual.
This is actually adding a lot of value to this RV. All of these things.
Good evening. It's the 2nd of May, and I have both heaters running because spring in Minnesota has not been kind this year.
However, it has been 2 weeks since our makeshift ceiling project, and I wanted to give you guys an update on it. You can see that it's pretty flat. It's not the best in the world. You can see on the edges here where it's kind of... But the important thing is it's not sagging and it's not going to drop in our faces. And honestly, this is still the straightest ceiling panel that we have in here. See, it still needs to be wiped off a little bit of glue on there.
All of the other panels in here are still drooping rather badly, some of them worse than others. And we haven't done these ones yet because we've had 2 straight weeks of rain, and we have all kinds of springtime projects that we need to get done here that we can't do until it starts to warm up a little bit. So I just wanted to give you an update on the roof. This is where we're at. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks it'll warm up enough to where we can get the rest of it done, because we can't do all of this with our dog in here because it's just too much fumes.